Alright, good afternoon everybody. This is Aaron's shed colony. We got bees flying in right there. And according to the neighbors, these bees have been here for 2 years. And Aaron has only lived here a year, and obviously he's been aware of them for a while now. And he said he was gardening right over there, and bees came around his head and eventually stung him in the arm. So basically unprovoked, which is pretty sad, and it's also the reason I'm here. So we're gonna get these bees into probably that deep there, and we're gonna try to lift the shed. And in many ways easier, in many ways harder, but what I like about it is the bees and the queen cannot hide from me as easily. She can't go running under another floor joist, or I mean, it's going to be completely exposed. We'll be using the jack stands. So far, so good. Yeah, is it bigger than you thought?
Not.
Yeah, not a little lobster.
Not at all.
Hello, everybody. So I could be a little rough with this stuff. Yeah, we got some brood here. Some brood. Pretty spotty. Brood is what I call brood is worker brood. I open up this cell. There's a bee in it. Yeah, she's alive, I think. You gonna move? Yeah, her leg is moving. So all that new queen has to do is get laying, and then the remaining bees go get enough nectar and pollen to start rearing brood, and she can boost this colony back up to full size in about a month and a half. And this thing's completely loaded again. Oh, we got another hatch queen cell. I kind of half broke it off. Wow. But as I take these out, I'm reducing the possibilities of each bee being a queen, right?
Right.
Makes her way... Oh, I think I do see her. Oh yeah, I got her. I mean, I don't have her, but...
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Got your sights on it.
I certainly do. Let's see if I got her. I do have her. Hell yeah. Check her out. Look at that little lady. I don't know if you call that a virgin. She's got a little bit of length to her. I mean, I've seen virgins way smaller than that. I could be going right now.
Yeah.
Most bees will come out of there, but I'm going to continue vacuuming them and at least present them to the box. That's good. Yeah. Look at all the bees. Pretty cool. Well, I'd like to thank Aaron for his help. Plants are not obligated to help, but if they want to, they're certainly welcome.
Always fun.
We provide the bee soup. And that's them. And certainly plenty of bees to keep that queen cozy. So we're gonna leave that a couple days and grab them and move them somewhere else. So that's it for today. The end.